That is not supposed to be happening. A word to the wise here. When you are attaching your John Deere loader to your John Deere tractor, do not force it. I've got a leak here. This block, 4 hoses attached to it, goes into here. Then you roll this handle down to lock it into place. Well, I attached the loader this morning. I went to roll this handle down, and well, you see it right there. It's got pressure on it. Normally it goes right in easily. Had a little bit of pressure on it. I tried to roll it in. Nope. So I cracked every line to take the pressure off, top and bottom. Well, no, the top, because the bottom I could take the pressure off with the lever in the tractor. Cracked every line to take the pressure off. Still had to put a little bit of force, but really not that much force on it. So get it hooked up, come up to the shop. I notice it's leaking. I thought maybe I did not have all of the hoses tightened down after cracking them. No. You see that right there? On 2 of these, there's this seal that sits up inside of here, and then this center button pushes up, and apparently by trying to connect this with pressure, it has blown that seal out and torn that seal. So I've got 2 of them on here that I've got to replace. And now that I've got this apart, I see a couple of these O-rings are bad here. I'm not sure if that is from me loosening these lines, and that's what caused them to go bad. It's got to be. So yeah, I've got to replace, looks like at least three of those O-rings. I may as well replace all 4 of them. This is what makes this difficult. You have to hold that down while putting this in there. All right, let's see if I can get this seal in by myself. The last time I did this, I needed 2 hands. So this is part number DC 52727. This seal was $16.79 for this thing. Is there a certain way it has to go in there? It looks the same both ways. I don't see a difference in it. Let's put this one in. I have some instructions here. It does say to lubricate the seal. I need to put this seal in and make it a butterfly. Put the seal on top. All right, flathead screwdriver. I'm using this pointy screwdriver to shove down in there to hold that piston down once I push this down. Can you see that, the way it's in there? The piston is held in place. Now I'm going to get this seal started on this side closest to this screwdriver, well, the pointy object I have in there. All right, that seal is started on that side, so now this is going to hold that seal in place while I try to put a butterfly in the seal. Now you do not want that piston to pop up out of there before you get that seal in, because it's going to ruin that seal if that happens. Whoa. All right, and then just work that seal around. And get that butterfly out of there. There we go. Wow, that one was quick. I'll forget this by the time I have to do this again in 3 years. Hopefully I never have to do it again. Let me put a little bit of oil. All right, let's see if this is going to pop up out of here. Push down and so I'm going to take this back out to the tractor and then shove it down through there one time to push that seal the other way. And that should be it. Okay, I'm going to try something to seat this seal here. Oh, there. It just popped up as I was doing this. Well, I was going to put it on here because when it goes on here, the outside ring is what goes down. So then that would seat the seal. It would push this piston up through that seal on that part. But hey, it popped out of there. So I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to put it on there just to make sure it moves up and down okay. Okay, I think that one's good. Now I've got these O-rings to replace here. Wow, they almost don't look like the right ones. Well, I guess they are. I guess they're supposed to be. That one was okay. I won't replace that one. All right, I can put all the hoses back on here and put this together, and hopefully it does not leak. I've got one extra O-ring if I need it, and then 2 extra seals for this. Okay, I don't see any leaks. Previously it was just pouring out of here and dripping down, so leaks are fixed.